Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 6 divided by 1 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 2. Now we sort it by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parentheses, then we solve exponent, and then we solve multiplication or division, and then we solve addition or subtraction. Multiplication or division we sort from left to right, and addition or subtraction we sort from left to right. Now we have one division here and one multiplication here. So according to the rule, first we solve multiplication or division. We solve it from left side. Now in left side we have division. So first of all we solve division. Now 6 divided by 1 over 3. Now we sort it by the rules of KCF. K means keep first fraction, C means change division to multiplication, and F means flip the second fraction. So we keep first fraction 6 over 1 multiply by 3 over 1 and multiply by 1 over 2. Now we keep first fraction and division change to multiplication and flip the second fraction. Now 6 times 3 they give us 18 multiply by 1 over 2, and 18 times 1 they give us 18 over 2. Now 2 ones are 2 and 2 nines are 18. So the final answer is 9. Thanks for watching.